In this tutorial, we will learn about the relational operators. What are the relational operators? Where we compare. First of all, how many types of operators are there? Means like this is less than equal to, or this is other way of writing the less than equal to, greater than equal to, is equal to, not equal to. These both are not equal to. So these are relational operators. Relation means whether this number is greater than or less than or equal to, that kind of comparison. Relativity we have checked, like whether this is equal to, less than, or o. So these sets of operators are used when we want to make a comparison between any two values, right? It display the result as a true or false depending upon the value given. So again, I have defined some variables a, x, b, y, c, z, and below are the result of the relation. Again we are printing this, and we can also add line what we have seen in the last example. So this way we can add, okay, and you can copy this, and we can also print this at the end, so it will print. So here first we are using if x is greater than y, x is greater than y, 12 and 10, then print x is greater than y, right? So first this is a relational operators, checking whether x is equal to y. So if this condition is true, then x is greater than y, x is greater than y, okay. Similarly, if a is greater than or equal to x, then print a is greater than x. Similarly, now we are comparing y or x. If y is less than x, then print y is less than x. b less than or equal to y, then print is less than or equal to y. c is equal to z, then print c is equal to z. And z not equal to d, then print z is not equal to d. Here in the output we are not printing this the way we printed in the last tutorial for the in the case of arithmetic operators. Let's see output. So here you can see we are printing, below are the result of the relational operators used in the program, right? Then first it compare x. So here x is equal to 12 and y is equal to 10. So first it compared, because these are the variables are compared, and then program print 12 is greater than 10, right? So then in the second line number 20 it compared a and x is greater than or equal to 12, correct? 10 is less than equal less than 12, 10 is less than or equal to 10. This way we can do, right? We can remove this. What will happen if we don't write? It will not give meaningful output, or it will not print the meaningful. If I do, if x or y is, then print. If I remove this, it is showing x. We can remove here, remove from here. First check whether there is an error or not. No. Now we see it is not making any sense. Is greater than 12 is greater than or equal to 12. it is printing second line here, right? So we are not able to see what is happening here. That's why we need to use or write program in this fashion so that we can correlate the output, okay, what program is doing. So 12 is greater than 10. So here first we compared and then printing 12 is greater than 10. Okay. So this fashion we can use the relational operators writing program. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you very much.